Right, so this is our full apron, and I have placed the pockets about where I want to put them. Our top pocket up here needs to be a reasonable distance. I kind of put like top my fingers down. This part here will eventually be folded over as a facing, so you want to make sure that it is not too high up. Plus it's going to get in your way if it's too high up. If it's too far down, it's going to sit on your waist. So you need to make sure that you're probably about 7 to 10 centimeters down from the top of the apron. So I would go somewhere between 7 to 10. I'm going to go 9 centimeters. So that's 9 centimeters, just a little bit more. 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters down there. And then on the bottom here, we have these two off-center ones. So what we need to do is make sure that the bottom is actually the same on both sides. So we need to make sure that it's the same distance from the bottom to the pocket on both sides and the same distance from the edge of the pocket to the center. Can you see that I have ironed a line all the way down the middle? And for this top pocket, I've actually ironed a seam there, so I can match up that ironing with that ironing. This is halfway, so half of the pocket is on either side of the apron. And then this one, we need to make sure this gap here is the same as this gap here, and then this gap here and this gap here are the same. I'm going to pin them on, and then I'm going to show you that. All right, so I have just done the initial pinning. So what I've done is I have measured from the bottom. So I've measured from here and I've measured down, and that is 16 centimeters. You see that? And on this side, also 16 centimeters. Check it, make sure that it is exactly the same. I check it on both sides. So that actually is a little bit low. So I'm going to move that up a bit to make sure that it's exactly 16 centimeters. So you want this side to be 16, you want that side to be 16, whatever you choose. So that's actually a bit 15. You want 16 centimeters. All right, that's a bit better. So I'm going to put my pin there. This pin here, it's hard to pin with one hand, so I will finish pinning it properly once I have 16. I'm going to lift that corner up a bit and make it 16 centimeters. There we go, 16 centimeters. Okay, so that they're both. Now I'm going to pin just around the outside here like that. And then we're going to sew them on. And when we sew them on, we need to start sewing just off. And I'm going to show you that on the sewing machine as well. We need to have these fully pinned on, and then we need to go over to our sewing machine. I'll show you what it looks like at the machine. All right, now that I have everything pinned on, I am just going to go and check to make sure I have 16, 16, 16, 16, and then this one, I'm going to check. That's 4 centimeters there. That's 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. And if I measure between the two, the 4 centimeters is sitting right in the middle, and I've got 8 centimeters. So it's the same all the way down. This top one, you just want to make sure that you've got your 9 centimeters here and your 9 centimeters here, and it's sitting right on that line that you have ironed down the middle. These are ready to sew on. So we're going to go over to the sewing machine, and I'll show you how I want you to attach them. All right. We are at the sewing machine, and I am ready to attach my pockets. Now, I have pinned my pocket on so that more of the fabric is on this side than on this side. Okay, you usually want as much, when you start your project, when you start sewing, make sure the bulk of the fabric is outside the sewing machine area, not in this gap here. We're going to start sewing just a little bit above the pocket. not right on the edge or even onto the pocket. We're going to sew from the apron and then we're going to sew onto the pocket. I've actually got a pin sideways here just to hold down my facing a little bit. I'm going to put my needle in. Actually, I want to go a bit further forward, tiny bit further forward. There we go. And we're going to sew very slowly backwards. So done a reverse. I'm going to pull my pin out before it gets there. And we're going to sew up onto. And can you see I'm lining up the edge of this pocket with that line that's in the middle of our foot. There's a little line there, and we are going to keep that right on the edge of the fabric. Can you see that I'm putting my pins in too with the heads facing towards me? So it's really easy to pull them out as I sew. So pulling the pins out, I'm going to sew all the way to the bottom, keeping it lined up with that edge. Pull out your pin before you get there. Now, when you get closer to the edge, you're going to slow right down. A couple of stitches at a time. One more, I think. Right, and I'm going to lift, leave your needle in, and turn. Now, we are going to get a bit of the fabric inside the machine now. Oh, my pin's around the wrong way. Oops. I'm going to turn them back this way and put my foot down and keep sewing. So you've got to turn at a complete right angle, which will pull that pin out before I get there. It's really so much easier when the heads of the pins are facing in the direction you're about to sew. Like they're facing towards you instead of towards the actual needle, so that you can grab them and pull them out. So just sewing all the way to the end. And you've got to try and keep it so that when you turn, you're lining up that center line again. So you've got to gauge how much space. If you sew right off the end, that's okay. You can just reverse back on and get it into the right position, and then we can unpick those little stitches later. So we're just going to sew down here. We've almost fully completed this pocket. Now you got to remember we've got these edges all turned in. As we come to the top, we're going to sew off the top of the pocket onto the apron, and then we're going to reverse so that we do that locking stitch, and it makes our pocket super tight and super strong because there's no gap here at all. This is attaching it to the apron, bulk of the apron. So there we go, and we have our first pocket attached, and that looks really nice. Now you could, if you wanted to, go around, and I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to go around and I'm going to do a second row. So I'm going to line up my center line with that line there. I'm going to start just on the other side of the pocket, and I'm going to sew on, and I'm going to go around again. Making sure none of your fabric is underneath where you're sewing. Keep your fingers away. Turn. See how that line is lined up? And you can keep going. Pushing that fabric through, making sure nothing's underneath. Don't sew it to itself. And we're going to keep going. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sew these bottom pockets on. I won't do any commentary during this section. There we go. We have our final product. So we have our pockets in place. They're all nice and even. Looks really good with our pocket and our embroidery. And now we are ready for side seams.